So upon a general inspection, when I come to your house, I'm going to be, well, first of all, when I go there, I'm going for a maintenance. If you're already part of a service agreement with us, you're going to have your 2 maintenances every year. So you're going to have one for the heating side, and you're going to have one for the cooling side. So with a maintenance, since I am coming to do a maintenance, and I come twice a year, I generally am not expecting to find anything. But if there is something that I do find, especially things that may concern the health or safety of your family, then I have a list I make up, and I can either bring it to you and show you, or we can keep it in our pocket for the next time.